All right, so we got tip time here for you. What I need to do is I gotta run this 12 gauge wire. I gotta run it down through the floor opening, which is a conduit down under the concrete, loops around, comes up over by the sink. I've already ran the range through it. It comes up over there. I need to pull this one. Now, if you just feed the wire down, sometimes you get lucky and it'll come up on the other side. I did put long sweeping elbows on the conduit, but it's just got a little bit of a burr in there where one of the connections are, so it's hanging on me. So what I need to do is I need to put a pull string on it and I need to pull it through. So back to my pull string that I was using for running my Cat 5 cable. You can get this at any of the big box stores. It's great for pulling wires. What I've done, so I took a little bit of an old paper bag. I'm going to tie that to it, and that helps it take up volume in the pipe itself. Acts almost like a parachute while it's in the tube. This is how you pull wiring through conduit in the IT industry. So it makes like a little parachute on the end of it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the other side and I'm going to stuff it down that tube on this side over here. We'll push it down just a little bit. And here's the trick. The old shop vac. I'm going to take the shop vac, I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to stick it on this end. And that's going to grab that wire and that little parachute on the end of that string, suck it up on this side. So, see what we get. Look at there. And we're done. Literally, it's that simple. Ain't that crazy? All right, so now that we got the pull string, we actually got to pull the wire. So, we'll take this plastic bag off. This is my pull string for everything, so I already still have a slip knot in the end of it, slip loose. And get one into this. We'll stick it through. I'm going to band it over. Take out my trusty tape. Tape it down so it doesn't try to open up while it's being yanked on. Put a little tab on it there, so I can take the tape off later on easily. I'm going to take pliers and I'm going to squeeze this so it's as flat as possible when it's going through that pipe. That conduit's not a large piece of conduit. I'm going to pull my slack out here. It goes over there. I'm going to take this string. Pull that wire through. Straighten it out there. And there we go. Wire came through the conduit. I'm going to run it right to this box right here and get feed wire off this side. The wire will come up and it'll go into the island out here in the kitchen. It's that simple. That's your tip for the day.